Print in quiet mode on your HP printer to reduce the noise it makes when printing. This mode slows down printing but does not affect print quality. On your printer control panel, navigate to and touch Setup. Touch Preferences. Touch Quiet Mode and then enable the option. Touch OK to start noise-sensitive printing. To run quiet mode only at specified times, turn on Schedule. To change the scheduled time, touch Time and then touch Yes. Set the start time and then touch Next. Set the end time and then touch OK. Quiet mode runs on the new schedule. When printing from your computer or mobile device, open the printer properties or printing preferences and select Printing on plain paper with normal print quality.